Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I prepare my fenugreek powder hair mask. Yes, with aloe vera gel. Yes guys, you all know I have been using this product on my hair and it's really good. It have been helping my hair to grow and strengthening the edges and everything, which I'm just so excited. So I just decided to share with you guys how I prepare my fenugreek powder, and I have been using a lot of this fenugreek on my hair lately, and it's doing really amazingly on my hair. And if you haven't checked the videos that I have made about this fenugreek seed, go and check it out, and I will be putting all the video in the description box. So here I am using my aloe vera gel, and I'm just cutting it into some sections, and I just took out the gel out, and I'm gonna be blending it in a blender. And then I will be adding my 2 spoons of fenugreek powder. So basically this is the fenugreek powder that I try to get here in Switzerland. It's a little bit complicated, and luckily I just asked my pharmacy and they helped me to order the powder. But honestly guys, I'm just using it and then it's almost done, and I was like, oh my god. And it's quite expensive here in Switzerland. Yes, so I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, and I will be adding 1 cup of olive oil and along with 1 egg. Guys, it's optional, you don't have to add any egg because fenugreek already have a lot of benefits. It has a high protein, and it's also very good for a dandruff, and it has a lot of benefit when it comes to hair growth. And if you are that type of person who have a very tiny hair, like a hair is very delicate and it's very light, this fenugreek seed is very good for your hair, because my hair is so soft. So I really need something that can be strengthening my hair, like kind of bring that strength out of my hair. So but fenugreek is really good for that. And then I just blend everything together. This is basically how the paste is looking. Yes, it's looking very smooth and like really creamy in texture. Guys, I do add egg because I really want, I know that fenugreek already have his property of protein, but I just wanted to get more protein for my hair, so that's the reason why I add 1 egg. And it's optional to you guys, you don't have to add any egg at all. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. In this channel we do literally everything. We do a lot of workouts especially, and we do a lot of healthy drinking and eating, and also skincare, like your self-care and how to grow your natural hair. As you guys can see, my hair, I just try to create this journey for my hair. I do trim my hair lately, not quite long. I just trim my hair not quite long, and the hair is growing really good, especially the edges is growing so healthy. And I hope you guys stay with me with the journey of growing my natural hair. I really want to get that length, like a very long length for my natural hair. So I do bring out a lot of products that you can use at home as your homemade hair growth, you know. So this is basically what we do, and we throw fashion into it sometimes. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, support this family, and yes. So this is actually my 4 weeks cornrows, guys. Yeah, I just took out the cornrows that I was having in my head, and my hair is really good. It was growing so strong and healthy because I trimmed the end, and the hair was really growing good. It was really good. It was not shading at all, and the edges are back, which I'm just so excited. All my edges are back. Before, I do have a lot of issues with my edges. Since I started using this fenugreek seed and oil and water into my hair have been growing so good, trust me. And if this fenugreek seed, guys, it's a little bit difficult. I think you can find them in Indian shop, and also as any shop where they sell natural things, you can easily find them there, I think. But for me, the first time I ordered it in a pharmacy, so this time I'm gonna be checking some Indian shops close to me here if I can find the powder and also the seed. But I also heard that you can find them in Amazon. You can order them in Amazon, and there they will bring a very big package for you, which is gonna last you for a long time. Because this one that I had here from the pharmacy was very small, especially the powder is already finished. So, and now I will be checking Amazon, or I will go and check these Indian shops close to me here. Yes, if I can get a bigger package. This one was really good, and this fenugreek seed have been helping me a lot, guys. It has been helping me a lot. I've been helping my hair to grow healthy and, you know, very strong. Yes, thank you all so much for always coming to my channel. And I just pulled the paste, like the mask, into my hair, and I just kind of massage the mask into my hair a little bit, and I cover it with a plastic bag, and then you can wash it off after 45 minutes or 1 hour, and then you can cornrows your hair again, and you can put anything of your choice. Use your wig. It's winter time. This moment I do like to use wig, so I would just cornrows my hair and I will start putting wig on it, and which is also helping my hair to grow a lot because I'm not manipulating the hair too much. So I can actually just leave the cornrows for like 4 weeks, and then after that I will use another protein or another treatment on my hair, and I will cornrows the hair again. Yes. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and Merry Christmas to all of you who's watching me right now, and I wish you all a blessed new year. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And to all my new and old subscribers, thank you all so much for sticking around. I love you all so much, and remain blessed and stay blessed. Remain blessed, and at the meantime, hope to catch you all in my next one. Much love. Bye.